Good morning, everyone. I'm San Shaji of A Level. Today, I'm going to talk about Kargil Vijay Diwas, a day of pride, gratitude, and remembrance. Every year on 26 July, India commemorates the victory of the Indian Armed Forces in the Kargil War of 1999 and pays tribute to the brave soldiers who made the supreme sacrifice to protect our nations. The Kargil War took place in the rugged mountains in Kargil of Ladakh, where enemy forces had occupied strategic positions on Indian territory. The challenging terrain, freezing temperatures, higher altitudes, had made the battle extremely difficult. Yet our soldiers displayed extraordinary courage, determination, and patriotism. Under Operation Vijay, the Indian Armed Force launched a series of courageous missions to recapture the occupied peaks, fighting at heights over 18,000 feet. Our soldiers faced harsh weather conditions, difficult terrain, and constant danger. Despite these challenges, they fought with unwavering determination and succeeded in reclaiming every inch of Indian territory. Many heroes emerged from the Kargil War. Captain Vikram Batra, remembered for his famous words, "Ye dil mange more," became a symbol of courage and patriotism. The Kargil War teaches us valuable lessons about courage, unity, resilience, and love for our country. It reminds us that true heroes are those who place the nation above themselves and stand firm even in the face of adversity. As students and citizens, we may not stand on the battlefield, but we can honor our soldiers by being responsible, disciplined, and dedicated to our duties. We can contribute to our nations by working hard, respecting our diversity, and upholding the values for which our soldiers fought. On this Kargil Vijay Diwas, let us salute the brave hearts who defended our nations with courage and sacrifice. Let us remember their stories, honor their legacy, and pledge to serve our country with the same spirit of dedication and patriotism. As we bow our head in gratitude, let us remember that the tricolor flies high today because of the sacrifice made by our soldiers. Jai Hind.